thought I'd show you how to knit this really easy summer scarf with this pretty mesh pattern. I've got the full pattern on my blog, and you'll just need some worsted weight yarn and US size 11 knitting needles. Today I'm using Lion brand yarn, Merino Yak Alpaca yarn. It's one of their luxury yarns. It's really nice. And you're going to start off by casting on 21 stitches, but for the sake of time I'm just going to do 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So for row 1, it's the mesh pattern is made up of 4 rows. For row 1, you're going to knit each stitch across the row. And with the way I cast on, I've already got a row of knitting done. So I'm moving on to row 2. My row 1 of knitting across the row is finished. And for row 2, you're going to knit the first stitch of the row and then yarn over and knit 2 together. And repeat this across the row, yarn over, and then knit 2 stitches together. Sorry about that. Yarn over, knit 2 together. Okay, so we have row 2 done. Now we move on to row 3, which is very easy because all we will do is knit each stitch across the row. Okay, now we're on our final row of this stitch pattern, row 4. And for row 4, you're going to knit the first 2 stitches, then we start our yarn overs and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, and you do that all the way across the row, and then at the very end of the row you'll have 1 stitch left. Just knit that stitch, and then you just repeat those 4 rows for about 5 inches or so, and just end with a row 4. Then you start the garter stitch pattern, which is just knitting across each row. So I'll show you that. So for the garter stitch part, we just knit each stitch across the row. And for this scarf, there are about 10 knit rows, but you can modify it however you like. So you just want to end on the wrong side and start your mesh stitch on the right side row. And I've got the full pattern on my blog, but it's a really simple pattern and you come out with a really nice scarf. So I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.